Yeah. Oh, what's happening, y'all? I hope this is recording good. All right, so hey, y'all on Facebook Live. We about to sing some happy birthday, you know. Got my ice cream cake, you know. All right. So.
Oh, why you calling his balloon? Why is calling his balloon?
Oh, this is balloon and call.
Oh, that's for him?
And this one is mine.
You gonna record it, twin?
Oh, that's.
Yeah, there you go.
That's what I'm doing now, you know.
Okay.
I hope it's recording good.
Ready? Not too loud, y'all. Ready, set, go.
Happy birthday to us.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to my left bride. Happy birthday to you. May the dear Lord bless you. May the dear Lord bless you. May the dear Lord bless my nephew. Happy birthday to y'all.
All right. All right. Thank y'all so much.
I want to give a shout out to my nephew and wish him my nephews, and wish him a very, very happy birthday.
All right.
And may God bless him.
All right.
Many more, cuz.
With many more.
All right.
Many more, cuz.
So, Marvin, you got something to say?
Yeah. Say happy.
Happy birthday.
Oh, thank you very much. What about you, Blossom?
Happy birthday.
Thank you very much.
Come on, Ricky.
All right.
You
So,
gotta be Ricky.
Happy birthday to both of my cousins, man.
all right.
You're doing good in life and keep it going. God bless you.
All right. Yep.
Amen.
Okay. Yeah.
Amen.
Yeah. It's a blessing, you know.
Yeah, it's a blessing. We don't really want. Y'all wanted a piece of cake?
Mm-mm.
I'm good.
I know,
Well-
I just wanted to make sure people.
Yeah.
Well, that's all right though.
We just want to make sure you were straight, and we want to come over to wish you and your twin a happy birthday.
Yep.
And we did what we set out to do, and I said a wonderful prayer in your house, and may God bless y'all.
All right.
And you know,
Focus camera.
anytime you need me, I'm just a phone call away.
All right. Yep.
Say, B, you know I was working out at that park up the
Oh.
street.
Oh.
Right here at the what you call them? At
Oh,
the
okay.
workout park. I was up there.
Oh yeah.
I ain't never-
All right. And Blossom, you gonna like Eastland and Brooklyn though. They cool, you know. But they kind of younger than you.
Yeah.
Yep. Eastland is 12. You know.
Cut twin, you ready for a piece of cake?
Yes. All right. That's a great idea. All right. Do y'all want to slice a pizza? Oh, definitely.
You want a piece of cake?
Oh, sure you can. Oh, the place right there.
Okay.
All right.
You want a piece of ice cream cake or you want the pizza, man? Pizza? All right.
Well, we can have both, you know.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, I'm totally blessed to see another year, you know.
Yeah, dog.
Mhm.
Yeah, dog. Blessing.
All right. Mhm.
You're doing good, man. Just
Look at this.
Remember that, bro. You're doing great. That looks nice, people.
Mhm.
That pizza looking good, dog.
Oh yeah, and that lady at Pizza Hut, I told her about Johnny though.
Flies off,
Oh, I don't. I'm sorry, y'all.
though. You good, man.
All right, thank y'all for watching. Oh, before we.
They down bad changing
Yep.
the bus routes like that.
Well, it's probably not gonna be like that forever. Once people complain, they'll probably change it back to way.
Change it, right? You can boycott it.
Yeah, because you know people can boycott things, you know,
Right.
because the citizens have a right, you know.
Right.
All right, so all right, thank y'all for watching. Bye bye, y'all.